environments, and runtime. Configurations from the source Boomi account to the target Boomi account with minimal downtime. And risk. Scope includes inventory, export, import, environment setup, testing, cutover, and post-migration verification. 2. Pre-migration checklist. Admin access to both source and target accounts. Inventory of processes, maps, profiles, connectors, operations, shared libraries, custom components, environment properties, schedules, and certificates. Confirmation of target licenses and runtime capacity. Secure transfer setup. S3, FTP, encrypted file share. Downtime, parallel run plan approved by stakeholders. Backup of logs, schedules, and audit data. 3. Migration steps. 1. Inventory and classification. Document all dependencies and classify as component only, process specific, or runtime only. 2. Target environment setup. Create dev, test, prod environments and configure. Atoms, molecules. Note environment IDs. 3. Export artifacts. Use import, export UI or Atomsphere or P to export processes, components, and custom extensions. 4. Transfer files. Store exported packages securely in S3, FTP, or encrypted drive. 5. Recreate account level items. Manually or via API. Recreate credentials, certificates, environment extensions. 6. Import components. Import shared components first, followed by process packages. 7. Rewire connections. Update credentials, endpoints, and connection details. 8. Recreate schedules and deployments. Deploy to target environments and configure schedules. 9. Testing. Perform unit, integration, and regression tests in dev, test. 10. Cutover strategy. Run parallel processes in both accounts, then switch routing to target. 11. Post-migration cleanup. Disable old processes. Reconcile run data. Update documentation. 4. Common pitfalls. Missing environment extensions or property overrides. Certificates and keystores not transferred. Duplicate shared components due to improper import sequence. Firewall, whitelist issues for new runtimes. Version mismatches of connectors or custom scripts. Manual recreation errors for credentials and schedules. 5. Cutover and rollback plan. Cutover. Perform final sync and verification. Switch partner routing, DNS to target account. Monitor processes closely for errors. Rollback. Re-enable processes in the source account if major failures occur. Maintain a rollback window agreed with stakeholders. Keep old runtimes available until target stabilization. 6. Post-migration verification. Verify data parity and run counts. Confirm schedules, alerts, and monitoring are active. Collect stakeholder sign-off. Update architecture diagrams and runbooks. Boomi account to account migration runbook. 1. Overview. Objective. To migrate integration processes, components, environments,